Guys, what is going on? It is Tuesday morning. Tomorrow is the first day of second semester. I'm gonna go find out where the classrooms are so I know where they are so I'm not late to them tomorrow, since I do start at 8 in the morning. So just getting that Versace on me, running over to the school, and then I'm gonna meet up with Devin to do some civic prepping for next season. And I'm heading over to Devin right now to meet up with the civic and figure out what's going on with that.
You know what I figured out? We are so stupid. When you paint a car with real paint, you're supposed to put hardener in the paint. And we didn't put any hardener in the paint, so that means that the paint's just gonna keep chipping. And
all
also,
that work for nothing.
Yeah, I know. Supposed to mix it with the paint hardener and something else. I forgot exactly. Reducer. You're supposed to put reducer in it. And then when you put the reducer, when you spray it, dude, it literally sprays a fucking mirror finish. And I was so pissed because I'm retarded. Like, we literally wasted a bunch of paint. I'm gonna make like
We never checked if there was a spare or not.
I'm gonna make a nice trunk. Who the fuck puts a spare in a 95? I doubt there's even gonna be a donut in there. God.
Look how much better that looks already. 10 horsepower right there. Oh. You bottomed out so hard, something flew off.
Oh my god, the exhaust is on the ground. Oh my god.
No. No. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and stay tuned for what we do next time.
It sounds like a race car.
I know. Alright guys, see you next time.